10th class. Today we will learn first lesson of first flight, a letter to God. You know student, this chapter is very important because every year a short or a long answer come in board exam. So this chapter is written by G.L. Fuentes. Before of starting this chapter, we must have little knowledge regarding of characters. In this chapter, there are two characters. First is postmaster, who is very funny and he helped to Lencho. Lencho is another character. He is a farmer. When his crop was totally destroyed in hailstorm, he became sad, but he didn't lose his hope, and he decided to write a letter to God in which he demanded 100 pesos. Did he get it? Let's see in this chapter. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. The house means that was Lencho's house. Lencho's house was alone in the entire valley. It was on the upper part of a low hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. His house was on such a height from where he could easily saw the rivers and the ripe corn field which were filled with flowers. The flowers of that cornfield promised him to get a good harvest. It means उसके खेत के जो फ्लावर्स थे वो प्रॉमिस कर रहे थे कि इस साल उसको एक अच्छी फसल मिलेगी. The only thing that needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Downpour mean hailstorm. But his field needed a one thing, and that was only a downpour. उसके खेतों को एक ही चीज़ की ज़रूरत थी. To get a good harvest, his field only needed a downpour or a shower. कुछ बरसात की ज़रूरत थी. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his field intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. Lencho, who knew his field nearly, that morning he didn't nothing. उस दिन उसने कुछ नहीं किया. He was only looking towards the sky, expecting to get shower from the north and east side. उस मॉर्निंग में उसने कुछ नहीं किया, बस वो एक उम्मीद से, एक आशा से उधर नॉर्थ और ईस्ट की तरफ देख रहा था. Now we are really going to get some water boomerang. शायद हमें कुछ वाटर मिलने वाला है. Woman here for his wife. Perhaps Lencho said to his wife that perhaps we are going to get some little water. The woman who was preparing supper here, night meal. The woman, his wife was preparing night meal at that time. She replied, yes, God willing. हाँ, भगवान की इच्छा से. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the woman called to them all. His older boys were working at the field, but the still one were playing near of his house until his wife called them to take dinner. उसके जो बड़े लड़के थे, बड़े बच्चे थे, वो खेतों में काम कर रहे थे, और जो छोटे बच्चे थे उसके, वो घर के पास ही खेल रहे थे कब तक खेल रहे थे? जब तक उनके बच्चों की माँ ने यानी कि उसकी वाइफ ने उनको खाने के लिए नहीं बुलाया। Come for dinner. It was during the meal time that just as Lencho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall. At the time when whole family was taking dinner, the raindrops started to fall. जब पूरा परिवार खाना खा रहा था उस समय बरसात शुरू हो गई। As Lencho has predicted here भविष्यवाणी करना, जैसे लेंचो ने भविष्यवाणी की थी, as he was saying to his wife that perhaps we are going to get raindrops, so the rain started. In the northeast, huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. From the northeast side, the mountains of clouds were coming. The air was fresh and sweet. Still the air was fresh and sweet. फोकस करना है लाइन पर, अभी तो हवा बहुत अच्छी है। The man went out from no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. When the rain started, Lencho became very happy and he went out from his home to feel the raindrops on his body. बहुत खुश हो जाता है और बरसात की उन बूंदों को अपनी बॉडी पर फील करने के लिए वो घर से बाहर आ जाता है। And when he returned, he exclaimed with joy. When he came back to his home, he exclaimed with joy to his wife, "These aren't raindrops." Focus, student. There is a question in these lines, there is an answer of a question. These aren't raindrops falling from the sky. They are new coins. These not only the raindrops from the sky, ये केवल बरसात से गिरने वाली बूंदें ही नहीं हैं, बट ऑल्सो दे आर द सिल्वर कॉइन्स, वो सिल्वर कॉइन्स हैं। द बिग ड्रॉप्स आर 10 cent पीसेस एंड द लिटिल वंस आर 5। जो बड़ी बड़ी बूंदें हैं वो 10 pieces हैं और जो छोटी हैं वो 5 pieces हैं। इट मीन्स these lines are very important because there is an answer. How did Lencho compare big and small raindrops? With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers. Till now, he was satisfied with the raindrops and he was looking with full of satisfaction, wrapped in curtain of rain. Till then, how much he was satisfied? He was only satisfied when his field was covered with the rain. जब तक उसके फ्लावर से लदी हुई फसल पूरी तरह से पानी से कवर्ड हो गई, पानी से पूरी तरह से वो भीग गई फसल, तब तक तो वो सेटिस्फाइड था और यहाँ तक ठीक था सब कुछ. What now what happened with him? But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain, very large hailstorms began to fall. In previous paragraph here, we came to know the air was fresh and sweet. The air which was fresh and sweet now turned into a strong wind. जो हवा अब तक sweet and fresh थी वो अब एक strong wind बन गई थी और उस हवा के साथ में ही क्या गिरने लग गए थे, वहाँ पे बड़े बड़े hailstorms गिरने लग गए थे. Till now the air was fresh, but now it turned into a strong wind, and along with the strong wind the hailstorms came on the field. These truly did resemble new silver coins. वो वास्तव में ही, resemble माने वास्तव में ही, वो वास्तव में ही सिल्वर के कॉइन्स लग रहे थे, सिल्वर के सिक्के लग रहे थे. The boys exposing themselves to the rain. Boys mean उसके बच्चे. They came themselves in the rain to collect the frozen pearls. His children immediately came into the rain. They came there to collect the frozen pearls. Frozen pearls mean the pieces of the ice, the pieces of the hailstone. It's really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. Even the children were happy to collect the frozen pearls, but Lencho became sad. In pain, he said to his wife, "It's really getting bad now. अब बहुत गलत हो रहा है. I hope it passes quickly. आई होप कि ये जल्दी से ये चला जाए, ये जल्दी से यहाँ से स्टॉर्म ये फिनिश हो जाए, ख़त्म हो जाए और यहाँ से चला जाए." इट डिड नॉट पास क्विकली बट इट डिडंट हैपन. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होता. वो जो तूफान था वो अभी नहीं थमा था. For an hour, the hail rained on the houses, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield, on the whole valley. For an hour, 1 घंटे तक, it was continued. The hailstorms continue. It was on the house, the garden, the hillside, cornfield, on the whole valley. Everything was filled with the water. The field was white as it covered with salt. Because of the heavy hailstorms, the whole valley, the whole field was covered, filled with the water, and it was looking as it is covered with the salt. Not a leaf remained. What was the result of the heavy raindrops? Now not a leaf remained on the trees. एक भी पत्ती पेड़ पर नहीं बची थी. The corn was totally destroyed. His field was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. जो flowers थे, they were just came down from the plants. It means there was no leaf on the tree. The flowers were not there on the plant. It was totally destroyed. सब कुछ destroy हो गया था. Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. There is a question, student. Generally, I saw that 10th class student remain confused between of the two questions. First question is that when did Lencho became sad and when did Lencho became angry? So in these lines, there is the answer of the question, when did Lencho became sad? Lencho's soul was filled with sadness. Lencho की आत्मा पूरी तरह से दुख से भर चुकी थी. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, after 1 hour rain, when it was stopped, when the hailstorm stopped, he went to his field and stood in the middle of the field and said to his son, when he was in the middle of the field, he said to his son, a plague of locusts. लोकस्टर्स मीन टिड्डियाँ होती हैं, इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं जो जनरली ग्रुप में जाते हैं और पूरी फसल को ख़राब कर देते हैं. He said to his son, perhaps the group of the locusts would left something for us, but it has destroyed everything. It means for hailstorm. The hills has left nothing. Hills ने तो हमारे लिए कुछ भी नहीं छोड़ा. This year we will have no corn. और शायद इस साल हमारे पास खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं होगा. इस साल हमारे पास कॉर्न नहीं होंगे. That night was sorrowful one. ये नाइट उनके लिए भयंकर रात थी, दुख भरी रात थी. All our work for nothing. अब हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. हमारा काम, हमने जो कुछ किया, that didn't give nothing. उसने हमें कुछ नहीं दिया. There is no one who can help us. And there is nobody who can help us. यहाँ कोई भी नहीं है. अब हमारे पास कुछ नहीं बचा है. हमारा सारा काम बेकार हो चुका है और कोई भी यहाँ नहीं है जो हमारी हेल्प करे. We will go hungry this year. और इस साल हम hungry रहेंगे. इस साल हम भूखे ही रह जाएंगे. All the speaker of all these lines is Lencho, who became very sad and said these lines to his children or his wife because he felt that nothing is left for us this year. So, dear student, next paragraph we will see in second video. So, okay.